Howdy, folks. Welcome to today's check-in. Want to say thank you to the subscribers. We are well on our way to 400. I also want to point out that there are links to other content down and to the left, my channel, Catio Daddio, as well as the build video for the cat tree that Tiger's playing around right here. And next, we're going to go check in with the cabin kitties, Oliver and Kathy.
Kathy, you want to come up? Come on. Come sit with us. Come on. Oh, good girl.
And next, we'll go to the Yurt. Check in with those 6 kitties.
Daisy May. Tabby Taz. Mama. Jessie. Junie. Chadwick Bozeman. It's a she. Hi. Junie getting that. He's getting that all. He's getting the hell out of that hole.
We're going to wrap up today's check-in by going to the studio, checking in with Jazzy and Ghost.
Barely.